What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony, aka Barry Groove, and welcome to Dance with VS Versastyle's online street dance tutorials. Today, we're going to be learning a social party dance called the WOP. Let's get started. All right, let's learn the WOP. This dance was popularized in the 1980s, and it's a really fun dance to learn. So what we're gonna start off with is just a simple rock. We're gonna rock forward, starting to actually our sides. We're gonna start to our side, and we're gonna lean forward, and then we're gonna end up on the opposite side. But when we're doing this, we really wanna put emphasis on the one going forward. So as we're moving forward, we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you're really putting emphasis on that forward rock to make sure to make it a point. You're kind of creating a V with your body, yeah? So let's try it just together for an 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you notice, I'm really putting emphasis on the sides. Boom, 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 boom. Let's try it to the back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now we're gonna incorporate the arms. The arms are gonna kind of be doing the same motion. So they're gonna lean back with you, and then when you go forward, boom, they're gonna snap at the same moment when you're hitting that front rock, yeah? Let's try it for an 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Now, we're gonna incorporate one more thing. We're gonna incorporate our head. So it's gonna be doing the same motion. It's gonna be leaning forward and coming back, really putting emphasis on that rock forward. Let's add the head to our movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. One more time facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I think we got it. Let's try it with some music. So I'm gonna try it for an 8 count facing forward, 8 count facing back, 8 count facing forward, and then right after that, I'm gonna add a little freestyle to show you different variations and different ways you can approach this dance. Let's try it with music. All right, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it from the back. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time facing forward. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's add that freestyle. All right, that's it for today, you guys. Thank you for dancing with me today. Reminders, Don't forget to put emphasis on that rock. Really make it a point, especially when you're going forward. You really want to put emphasis on it to really get into that groove and have a lot of fun. Like I said previously, there's different variations and different ways you can approach it. Now, if you want to know more about VS, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersaStyleLA. You can follow me if you want more information about me at BarryGroove_92. Peace.